All right, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Matthew Cone, owner of Cone's Graphics. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. We do have free video marketing tips for you guys today, and I want to talk about 3 reasons why drone footage matters.
Ooh, Flyman ran.
Cone's Graphics.
We are able to take photos and videos, but I want to break those 3 topics as the reasons why they are important. The first advantage that I want to talk to you guys about with having drone footage is simple fact that you have different angles when you're telling a story, right? One angle tends to be a little too bland or a little too boring to the point of your story. So with aerial footage, it allows you to get multiple different angles based on what you're shooting or any type of video or photos from that subject matter. The fact that you are able to see any type of aerial footage or any aerial photos allows for so much. With the start of the military wanting to use drones against the war, now you're able to see that aerial footage of your house if something happened to it, or a building or a new construction. That's what those tend to use when you need that aerial footage as well. And then also, you never know if something happens, if you're going to look for somebody or something gets lost in the woods or something like that. They tend to use aerial footage as well to help with the rescue mission. And then number 3 advantage is having video and photos as well. So with that being said, we are able to see video footage from any type of subject matter from the area, right? Continuous video footage, whether it's live and you get an inside detail look of aerial footage consistently with that video, right? And it just makes it much more real along with those photos, right? Having aerial footage of photos allow you to have a consistent mark on those details of what you're trying to capture for that subject, and also just having a backup timeline, whether if you don't have video, then you're able to use those photos to piece that together in order to create video as well. So those are definitely the 3 advantages of having drone footage. Again, you have aerial, and then you have options of photos and videos, and then just having different type of angles. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. Peace.